Hi, to remove lock screen shortcuts on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to press and hold your current lock screen to edit it. Now we need to unlock it first and just click Customize and then pick lock screen. So shortcuts are those two controls on the bottom of the display. I got flashlight and camera, so I can easily turn on flashlight and easily access camera app. To remove those shortcuts from my lock screen, I just need to tap minus and here as well. Then click done button to confirm. And this is how it will look now. So don't worry, this won't delete app itself, it just will delete it from your lock screen. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.